In this video, we will guide you step by step to help you get familiar with the Broomx platform and its main features. We'll explain how to navigate the platform, manage your content, and use the tools available to you. The first thing you'll need to do when accessing the platform is log in with the username and password previously provided by Broomx. It's important to note that the type of user you log in as can be one of the following: owner, curator, or explorer. This role is set by default at the organizational level and determines the functions and permissions you will have within the platform. In this video, we will explain the interface as seen by the owner, the role with the highest level of permissions. Once logged in, you will be automatically redirected to the main page, where you can view a summary of the programs or playlists you've created. If you haven't created any yet, you'll have the option to start from scratch and create new content tailored to your organization's needs. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find the main navigation menu. This menu is divided into three clearly defined sections. The first is Manage, which is the landing section after login. From here, you can carry out several key actions. The next section is Projector Control. Finally, there's the Web Player section. Let's start with the Manage section. The first thing you'll see is the catalog. This catalog contains all the videos and applications available on the platform. Upon entering, you'll see a summary of the newly uploaded videos, along with a brief description of each. As you continue exploring, you'll find various collections that group content by theme or category. If you're looking for something specific, you can access the full catalog and filter results by content type, video or application, title, or creation date. If you go to the My Files section, here you can view personalized files that you've either created or received from Broomx for your organization. This allows you to manage them efficiently and ensure that everything is well organized. In the Forms section, you'll find all the forms created within your organization. From here, you can view, edit, or even create new forms as needed. Now let's look at the Playlists section. Playlists are groups of content that can be organized and reused in different programs. When accessing the Playlists section, you'll find a space where you can manage all your playlists. At the top, there are several tabs. In My Playlists, you can see all the playlists you've created, and from there, you can also edit or delete them as needed. Right next to it, in Organization Playlists, you can access playlists created by other team members. Additionally, Broomx offers a section called Templates, where you'll find ready-made playlists that are ready to use. These templates can be copied with a single click and will automatically be added to your personal list, ready to be edited or adapted to your needs. Let's move on to the Programs section. A program is a set of playlists that will later be sent to the projector to display the content. This page has a similar layout to the Playlists section. Here, you can view the programs you've created, edit them, or delete them if needed. You can also view organizational programs, which are available to all members with the appropriate permissions. Each program includes a preview with key information such as its name, the playlists it includes, the devices associated with it, and whether it's scheduled for a specific date. Finally, within the Manage section, you'll find Administration, where you can access more detailed information about your organization. Through a submenu, you can view details about active users and devices. The second section of the main menu is Projector Control. The first thing we'll do upon entering is connect to our projector. Once connected, we can decide what content we want to play online. From here, we can hit play on any of the programs we've created or, if we prefer, play content provided directly by Broomx. Additionally, this section allows us to configure various projector settings to suit our needs. And finally, in the main menu, we find the Web Player section. This option allows us to view both the programs assigned to us and Broomx content directly from our screen. In this tutorial, we've covered the main features of the Broomx platform, showing you how to efficiently manage and organize your organization's content. If you want to dive deeper into specific features, we invite you to check out our additional videos, where we explore in more detail how to use all the available tools.